Hello viewers, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Mohammad Mudassir and you are watching our channel TNA Expert. Like and subscribe our channel so inshallah you will be more updated and enhance your accounts and tax knowledge. So guys, this is accounting based video. So we start our topic. What is accounting? Accounting in dictionary: the process or work of keeping financial accounts. The most common definition of accounting is a language of business. And if we detail discussing what is accounting, accounting is a process of recording financial transaction pertaining to business. The accounting process includes summarizing, analyzing and reporting these transactions to override agencies, regulators and tax collection entities. The financial statement used in accounting are a concise summary of financial transaction over an accounting period, summarizing a company's operating financial position and cash flows. How the accounting cycle works. This topic is also a very important topic uh, of what is accounting. So we start that the accounting cycle is methodological setup of rules ensure the accuracy and conformity of financial statement. Computerized accounting system and the uniform process of the accounting cycle has helped to reduce mathematical error. Today most software fully automates the accounting cycle, which result in less human error and error associated with manual processing. So viewers, we can divide accounting cycle into 8 steps: transaction, journal entry, posting, trial balance, worksheet, adjusting entries, financial statement and closing books. So viewers, we can detail discuss the steps of accounting cycle. Transaction transaction, financial transaction start the process. If there were no financial transaction, there could be nothing to keep track of. Transaction may include a debt payoff and purchase or acquisition of asset, sales revenue or any expense incurred. Journal entry: the second accounting cycle. Journal entry: with the transaction set in place, the next step is to record these entries in the company journal in chronological order, in debiting one or more account and crediting one or more account. The debit and credit must always balance. Third one is posting to journal ledger. Posting to the journal ledger: the journal entry are then posted to journal ledger where a summary of all transactions to individual account can be seen. Fourth one is trial balance. Trial balance at the end of the accounting period, which may be quarterly, monthly or yearly, depend upon the accounting. A total balance is calculated for the accounts. A fifth one is worksheet. When the debits and credit on the trial balance does not match, the bookkeeper must look for error and make corrective adjustments that are tracked on a worksheet. Adjusting entries. 6.1. Adjusting entries at the end of company accounting period. Adjusting entry must be posted to account for accrual and deferrals. Seventh is financial statement. Financial statement. Financial statement includes balance sheet, income statement, and cash flow statement can be prepared using the correct balance. 8.1 and last one is closing. The revenue and expense account are closed and zeros out for the next accounting cycle. This is because revenue and expense accounts are income statement account which shows performance for a specific period. Balance sheet accounts are not closed because they show the company's financial position at a certain point in time. So guys, this is all from us. Thank you for watching our video. Inshallah we will upload more video and enhance your accounts and tax knowledge. Keep us remain in your praise. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.